natural health for beginners.
Transform your bath experience with these fun and fizzy bath bombs you can easily make at home. In this video, we'll show you a step-by-step guide to creating luxurious bath bombs using simple ingredients. No more guessing. Exact quantities are included to ensure perfect results every time. Whether you're looking for a relaxing soak or a thoughtful handmade gift, this tutorial is for you. What you'll learn. Essential ingredients for bath bombs. The exact quantities required for a flawless recipe. Tips and tricks to avoid common DIY bath bomb mistakes. Creative ideas for colors, scents, and add-ins. Ingredients. Baking soda, 1 cup. Citric acid, half a cup. Cornstarch, half a cup. Epsom salt, half a cup. Essential oils, 10 to 15 drops, your choice. Coconut oil or sweet almond oil, 2 to 3 teaspoons. Water, in a spray bottle just enough to bind the mixture. Optional, food coloring, dried flower petals, or glitter. Steps. Mix all dry ingredients, baking soda, citric acid, cornstarch, Epsom salt, in a large bowl. In a separate container, combine essential oils, coconut oil, and food coloring, if desired. Gradually add the liquid mix to the dry mix, stirring continuously. Use the spray bottle to lightly mist water until the mixture holds its shape when squeezed. Pack the mixture into molds and let them dry for 24 hours. Simple and clear instructions. Perfect for beginners and DIY enthusiasts. Customizable for any occasion, great for personal use or gifting. Like, share, and subscribe for more fun DIY projects. Don't forget to comment below with your favorite scents or any tips you've discovered.